This is Åboulevarden 31 in Aarhus, Denmark, and we have an Otis lift here. There's the directory. It's right beside the river. Here it is. It's also glass. We'll go up to 5. The exact year is unknown. The inspection paper says Otis built this lift possibly in 1993. However, it possibly was modernized by Schindler in 2022. Here we are at 5. Gosh, this lift stops very hard. Back to Stuen, ground floor. Oh, we've stopped, level 4. So yeah, this lift was built by Otis possibly in 1993, then it got modernized, possibly by Schindler in 2022. However, it stops very hard. You can look all the way down into the river. That is the Domkirk. You can even see the lighthouse at Aarhus. So yeah, you have nice views. Right, down again. Back to Stuen. Take one more ride and that will be it. Floor indicator's partially incorrect. Oh, yeah, I can't ride this anymore. It stops very hard. That's it.